Hey guys, it's me again. So if y'all don't know, my hair is different. It's not brown or black anymore. I'm going lighter, so this is step one of my hair. I just add a little bit of highlights to lighten up the color. I'm gonna just do my intro when my makeup's done because I feel like when you open a video and you look like this, I look ugly as fuck, so, you know. We're gonna go ahead and just start on my face makeup. Go in with my primers. So I'm actually gonna use 2 primers today just because I tried my new one, but it's not a poreless, and then the only problem area I have with pores is my nose. So I'm just gonna like skim through it. So I'm just gonna use my Smashbox Photo Finish primer, and I just go in with this brush right here. And I just like to add it like in those areas, just basically my T-zone. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with this hydrating face primer. I think I'm gonna just go do this one. I don't like it, but it's already on my face, and I guess I feel like my makeup is gonna like slip off with this one. After that, I'm gonna go straight to my foundation. So I'm going in with this one. I hope this is my skin tone. If it's not, guys, then like leave me alone. Okay, we're gonna fix it. I think I put too much. So I'm just gonna do that. My Wet n Wild is really dirty, sorry, but it's like this like flat brush, and I only use this to spread it out, like apply it on my face, and then I go in with the beauty blender. To me, it just gives me more of the dewy look with a brush than it does with a sponge. Maybe it's just me, but. And then I go in with my beauty blender. So I learned this off of Kim Kardashian. I watched her tutorial. What she says, she uses concealer that's like around her skin tone. It's like a warm that covers up any under eye circles or discoloration under your eyes. Okay, so then I blend that out. Then you're supposed to go in with like a light found concealer, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. See if so it looks like this. Okay, it finally came out, so I'm gonna try it. I got the lightest color. Am I Kim K yet? Like that, because I don't really care about the highlight like everywhere else, but under my eyes I definitely do care a little bit more, so I'm gonna put on a little bit more like that. Okay, so it does do brightening. I'm gonna just go ahead and go in with baking, and I honestly hate recording this because I just feel like it's so pointless, but whatever. Okay, so I like to go in with the Morphe 8L Contour and Highlight Palette. Go with this one right here. With this like small little kabuki brush. You do that. You know. And then I go in with Donut with that same brush. And then I do my forehead, obviously, my nose. I don't really do nose contour. I don't know how. I don't really want to mess with it. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna wipe out my whatever I baked up here. While I do my eyebrows and stuff, I'm just like bake at the bottom. And I'm just do my everyday blush, because in the picture, like, she just has like basic blushes thing, which is Sexy, Driven, and It Girl. Okay, so my brows are done. I think like that cherry color, so I'm probably gonna stay like in between these two, like these colors. I was a Barbie girl. Honestly, I wasn't even a Barbie girl. I was a Toy Story girl. Okay, I did have Barbies. I didn't really have BRATZ, but I did have Barbies. But personally, I've always liked BRATZ. I guess you can consider myself a Barbie girl because I did have more Barbies than BRATZ. I was obsessed with Toy Story. I used to watch it when I used to go like every day before I went to sleep. I had 10 million Woodies. This blending brush with a darker color. Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette. I'm gonna go in with this color, a deeper red. So I kind of just want to add that one. I just feel like. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. This like it's not a white, but it's like a nude white, and I'm just doing that to really set it. No, the BRATZ use a pretty thick. I'm gonna just do it off camera, okay? I'm decided. I'm gonna do it off camera and I'll be back, okay? They're different. Like, I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'll be back. I really feel like I'm gonna have such a hard time doing this right now. Because I'm not a makeup artist, like. I don't even know how, like. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. I drew a sketch. Oh my god. Let's go with this. If I fuck it up, guys, I'm gonna be so upset. I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna with this like NYX eyeshadow base, but I'm just gonna take the white out of it. You can see the green. This red orchard. Right here. I didn't do highlight before this shit. It's fine. Fine. See the highlight? Now over here, I have to go around it, so. And then I'm gonna go in with my red lipstick. And so now I'm gonna go with my setting spray. Alright guys, so that's it. That's the whole look. I hope this video was like kind of entertaining. I try to recreate myself as looking as a Bratz doll. Obviously, it's just a makeup inspired by the Bratz doll. I'm not really gonna like transform my face to look like a Bratz doll because first of all, I don't. Second, I don't really know how. It's a challenge on Twitter, and I wanted to try it because I saw this look and I thought it was just really cute because I love cherries. Like, I want a cherry tattooed on me. I don't know why. I just think they're really cute, and plus Lana has a song called Cherry and I love her. I really hope you like me. I'm making this like little cute tutorial, whatever, and let me know if you want me to recreate other looks or get inspirations from other looks. Get my pictures and all that stuff. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias, which will be linked below. I don't really like listing all the products that I use just because I feel like I do a good job at like just letting y'all know what I'm using. But if I didn't, like, just ask me, I'll probably respond. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, because yeah, I don't know what else to say. I think that's it. Alright guys, so I know I already finished the tutorial and all that stuff, but I just realized that I forgot to add freckles onto my face because that's part of the look. But
Oh well. No freckles, but that's still a look. It's still similar, it's still cute. Yeah. Bye.